If the CS has no particular...
Minister wogima wa mwiri Susan Nakhumicha mbere ya bunge ya Senate ugite thirikari ndirire igwithania na kiama kia madagitari kunina mugomo uria ukoretwo kithina mbere kwa ibinda ria ciumia ithano, akiuga thirikari ndiratambura ngirimiti ya madagitari iria mekiraniire na thirikari mwaka wa 2017 amwiyathiraga mwaka wa 2021.
We were following the orders of the judge from the court, and the judge ordered that the doctors should suspend the strike for negotiations to proceed.
Nakhumicha ogete ona madagitari makiagaga kuthi gutungatira arwaru, thirikari ne bingite mamwe ma mendekithia ma madagitari aya ta kwandika interns, akiuga ona thenge wa mageria macio madagitari no maragucio tungata uyu na thutha amu interns matengeikara thibitari-ini matare na madagitari makumabe mwerekera.
The equipment aspect, we are working on it. And now, what was remaining is to ensure that there are specialists there, but to confirm that we have a number that should be able to supervise the internship.
Ona gukiri uguo ndereti ino ne biobire riria seneta wa Embu arugamire gukathiriria wira wa minister Nakhumicha.
Na wewe uweze kupatia county government pesa ipitie hapa ndio anastumu wewe kusema uende nyumbani. Yangu ndio tufike hapo kwa nawasiri. Juu ya Ndero. We nyamaza.
Order.
Kwanja kaunti yako iko na 90 billion.
Agitogio uregani munene ni maseneta na makiria amwena wa mung'ethaniro.
We are not here to worship the CS. We are not here to worship the CS. Ask a question. You cannot give us stories. If you want to give us stories, go and see the CS in the ministry and give us those stories you are giving us here.
Maya mokete riri kiama kia madagitari kiugite thirikari niregete munanire njung'wa undu uria uthiete na mbere kwibia makombe rubongeni rwogima wa mwiri.
Government is the one on strike. All these health sector unions, KMPDU, KUKO and KUMLO, we are all saying we are ready to meet.
Na kuigoti ni musirithania Bairam Ongaya ni uriti thirikari cia county na rubonge rwogima wa mwiri kugena giikaro na kwaraniria na arigitani na kwetha kibonie kia mugomo uyu na obo kuria thirikari ndikae kubatika kana kuguoyohia atongoria a ngwataniro cia arigitani. Mung'ethaniro gatagati-ini ka thirikari na kiama kia madagitari KMPDU ukithie na mbere na kwibiriria undu uyu ucoreire a Kenya aria marathie kwamukira utungata wa urigiti thiini wa thibitari cia muingi makainuka matatungateiro bisa ya ati nima mwiromeri na giciko ndamenyaga murumi na njara akibia. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma cikaro cia bunge kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, njitagwo Masi Wadia wa Muriithi.